Welcome back with Bake with Elvia. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we'll be making carrot cake muffins or cupcakes, whichever you want to call them. Okay guys, so let's start with our ingredients. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do first is sugar, butter, water, and 3 eggs. And by the way, I will be leaving the recipe in the description box. And hey, by the way, subscribe. 3/4 of butter, some water, and 3 eggs. And we're going to mix one at a time. This is such an easy recipe. I hope you guys do try making these cupcakes, carrot cake cupcakes. All right, anyway, so in this bowl I have sugar, butter, water, and 3 eggs. And you mix it very well. And then, once it's mixed, we're gonna do our dry ingredients. So we have flour, nutmeg, baking soda, and salt. And we're gonna add it to our wet ingredients. This is our dry ingredients, this is our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add it. You're gonna stick it in here. And you're gonna do it all the time. You're gonna do it like this, you know, and you're gonna just stick it in there. I think you should always, when you do baking, you should always sift through your flour. And such an easy recipe, guys. Very easy. And they come out amazing. You can have these for breakfast muffins or cupcakes, however you want to call them. And so I'm gonna mix it until it's well mixed, but don't over mix it. You know, just try to get all the little lumps out, you know. And remember, I'll be leaving the recipe in the description box. Okay, so now we're gonna add our cup of carrots, grated carrots. And our our cup of walnuts. You could add pineapple and raisins if you like. It's up to you. But I like it like this. I'm not too a fan of raisins, but hey, it's up to you if you want to put pineapple in. Some people put pineapple, or they put raisins, or they put pecans. I'm putting walnuts in mine. So, alrighty, so as you can see, there you go, see? So now we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna spray our pans with Pam or butter flavor, whatever you have, but you know, this is fine. You just spray it. And it's okay if you get the top because sometimes they rise. What I do is just this, you know, just go really quick and I brush everything off. And just, you know, just try to get as much as you can in there. And then what I do at the end, I grab a little napkin and I wipe down the middle. And just wipe it down on the sides. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna get a ice cream scooper and scoop these, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys? Okay, so here's the scooper. So, you know, just fill it up to the top. Drop them in there. You don't want to overfill them either. And it makes about 12, depending on the pan that you use. My pan is a little bit bigger, so if you use a smaller pan, I'm sure you can get more in there. So you're gonna preheat your oven at 350 and 20 minutes in the oven. And make sure you put a toothpick in there. Make sure that they come out. And if they don't come out, so you add a couple of more minutes, which is okay to the oven. So I just try to fill as much as I can to see which ones needed more. Okay, so let me put this in the oven, and then I will come back with the outcome of the cupcakes, okay? All right, guys, see you in a little bit. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna cut one open and see how they turned out. So let's see. Just to show you guys what, you know. Look at that. Nice and moist. Wow. So on these cupcakes or muffins, however you want to call them, you could put jam on them, frosting, whatever you feel like putting on there, you can put it on. But let me tell you one thing. The reason why I don't use, you could use the cupcake holders, the little cups, but I like them like this better because, like I said, it can be a morning muffin, or you can also put it on here with your little muffin cups. You're welcome to do that, you know, but I like it without it. It's up to you. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys do subscribe, and hope to see you soon again. Thank you.